And then there was one little area left. Yeah. Whew. Wow. Okay, I'm liking it. And you might have laughed when I said I was going to pound down the staples on the back side. I was going to stack all this stuff over here, get it out of my way. And then I was going to take a hammer and flatten those down. I'm not going to do that. I don't think I need to do that. I can just stack this stuff in the garage just like that. And I'll have to, obviously I'll still have to count them up, you know, and kind of separate the different sizes. There's probably 3 different sizes I can separate them into. And man, there you have it. I've still got this little section here to do, but I'm gonna pull all this stuff up, pull staples. I'm gonna rest a little bit. And as I'm resting, I can be pulling up the black tar paper and pulling out staples, can't I? That would be my rest area. You know, my back's a little sore. I got my back support on. I've got my knee brace on, and I've been using my knee pad. And I'm feeling actually pretty good. I'm just going to take it easy for a little bit, stack this stuff up there, get all this stuff out of here, pull up all the staples, and then, and only then, will I be ready to psychologically be ready to get the rest of this area done and call it good. All right. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.